Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by
Reliant Ribbons and William F. Puckett.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, it's time to welcome the holiday with a gorgeous boxwood wreath and some easy ways to decorate. Boxwood wreaths are popular for the holidays, but here's a new take on a boxwood wreath, a square-shaped wreath. And then it gets even better. William F. Puckett has created boxwood with their gilded and frosted treatments, and it looks great with these square boxwood wreaths. Now, these are easy to dress up because you can hang them on your door like this, or you can also hang them in a diamond shape. They look great in a collection, and they're easy to decorate using some quick ribbon tricks. For example, we can use a beautiful piece of ribbon to hang this wreath. We'll simply take a length and then tie our ribbon in a knot at the top. I've used an extra wide ribbon, and I've also used a shear. It's wired, and it's a decorative way to hang that boxwood wreath. Because we've used a sheer ribbon, we can still see the wreath behind the ribbon itself. So let's do another quick treatment to this boxwood wreath. We'll be using this gorgeous ribbon from Reliant that has a gold tone and a wonderful damask pattern. We'll take this length and tie it around the boxwood wreath. Just gonna tie it into a knot, and I'm tying it loosely. Then we can spread the wire ribbon out and also spread out the tails. When you work with ribbon like this, sometimes you'll get a little fray or two on the edge. And what we can come back then and cut it again, just taking off a little bit of the ribbon. We'll even it up on both sides. And we'll do this treatment on all four sides. We'll use 2 pair all the way around. It's an elegant and impressive way to decorate a boxwood wreath, and it's easy too. You can hang it straight or at an angle. It's the perfect way to welcome the holidays. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.